What's going on, Amazon sellers? It's your man, Coach Crispect, the wise guy on Instagram. So happy to be back to make a quick video for you guys. It's been a long time since I've been on the YouTube screen. And so let's get right into this video because I'm full of energy. And I want to show you a feature that's been out for Jungle Scout for quite some time that everybody should be using. So if you don't have the Jungle Scout web app, make sure you're signed up for a monthly subscription. The link is in the bio. The link is in the description below. You're gonna want to sign up for this tool, especially if you're in the private label business. Let's get right into it. So, Jungle Scout, for everybody who's familiar with it, if you're not familiar with it, it's a tool to help you research and find products that will sell extremely well on Amazon that you can then buy from China, private label them, have them shipped direct to Amazon, and start selling upwards 5, 10, 15, 20 a day at profits $5, $10, $20 or more per item on Amazon. So it's an incredible product. I'm a huge fan, as everybody knows in my videos. Jungle Scout added this feature right here called Keyword Scout. And if you're an Amazon seller, and if you're serious about selling on Amazon, then you understand how important it is to run pay-per-click advertising, one, and two, to optimize your listing. A lot of people who are Amazon sellers do what I did when I originally started selling, and what I did for almost 18 months of being in the Amazon business. I got all my keywords from free tools. Now, for a lot of you are thinking, free tools, that's a good thing, right? It was and it is, until I realized I was missing out on the number of keywords I wasn't accessing via free tools. As soon as I started using Keyword Scout, that is a paid tool via Jungle Scout, and started utilizing all the keywords that this tool would show me, my sales exploded. So to give you an idea, my number one product sells on average 20 units per day, which I was happy with. That's $10 profit per unit. It's actually about $11.40 per unit. So let's just say 10 times 20, so that's $200 profit per day from that one listing. I got all my keywords and I developed my listing from using free keyword research tools. What I always wondered, so if you look at a free keyword research tool, let's take a look here. Let's go, keyword.io is the one I use all the time, keyword.io. Okay, this is a free keyword research tool. In fact, I talk about this tool in my course as the tool people should use when they're building and optimizing their listing, because it's free. Why not? That being said, a lot of people obviously sign up for Jungle Scout because I talk about that as well. So we'll get into that in a second. But for keyword.io, the benefit is you can search for keywords for a lot of the different platforms, whether it be Amazon, YouTube. You can build your keywords for a lot of these different platforms specific to that platform. So for example, on Amazon, let's just say we were selling, the common one that I like to use is exercise ball. Okay, so I'll enter that in, and what the keyword tool will do is it'll give us a bunch of keywords right here, so 210 keywords. Okay, but what it's not showing us is it's not anymore. They've completely changed this tool. I haven't used it in a few months. As you can see, create a free account. I don't want to create a free account. I'll accept TOS. I don't want to do this. So anyways, as you can see, this particular tool is not giving me any numbers. And the numbers I'm talking about are how often is this particular keyword searched? Is it searched 100 times a day, 500 times a day, 1,000, 5,000, 500,000, a million? Those are important numbers to know. Okay, all it is giving you is a list of keywords that are specific to your product. So I would teach people that. I would say, okay, use these free tools. You can build your keywords. You can get ideas and concepts for building your listing using this tool. And that's what it was great for, and it was free. Okay, fast forward to Jungle Scout and the Jungle Scout keyword product tool. We'll jump onto that. It looks like this. So there is a lot of handy dandy stuff here. I was just typing in spywordcam. Let's type in exercise ball. Exercise Lonzo Ball. The Lakers lost today with LeBron. Too bad. I'm a huge Lakers fan and excited that LeBron's there, but it was a little bit of a disappointing loss. They're definitely not connected. They're definitely not working at their max right now. But back to this. So exercise ball. I type in exercise ball, and now what you can see is Jungle Scout is giving you a ton of great information here. So check this out. They're giving you the top exact match for what I typed in. So exercise ball, here's the exact match results. Exact match search volume per month is 41,121. I'm pretty sure that's a per month search volume. It's not a per day. I'm pretty sure it's a per month. Hopefully I'm wrong, and it is per day, but let's go with per month. On a broad match, search volume is 89,000, almost 90,000. Dominant category that you'll see these in is sports and outdoors, where the most listings will fit. Recommended giveaways. So the 71 in the US, you can do a giveaway, and you can give away as many as you want to rank. So what they're talking about with this particular feature is if you give away upwards of 71 units, you will rank on page 1, which is the page everybody needs to rank on in order to sell 10, 20, 30 units a day. You need to be on page 1. Okay, so to do that for this very common keyword that's search for exercise ball, you need to give away in the beginning about 71 units a day. So it's quite, this is a very competitive niche. So you're competing with some of the biggest brands in the world. So that would be tough to do. The HSA bid is $11.03 for that keyword. An exact PPC bid is $2 for that keyword. So if you were to list that and do a campaign on Amazon and run a campaign with that keyword, you're going to be spending about $2 a click when people click on that ad. That's what it's going to cost for you to win on that exact match. On a broad match, whether someone types in exercise ball or exercise ball for kids or exercise ball for or a 65 centimeter exercise ball or something like that, and those words are randomly in there, it's $1.74. And then how easy is it to rank for this word? The lower the number, the harder it is. The higher number, the easier it is. So on a percentage of scale, 100% would be the easiest to rank for the word. 0 would be impossible to rank for the word. So as you can see, this is 25, which is really anything below 50, I stay away from. I don't generally even run much PPC in that category because it's generally more expensive. But that's something that we can talk about in another video. I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what Keyword Scout information is giving you. So now you can set it up to see the top 25, top 50, top 100, 200, etc. results. Okay, you have 9 columns selected. Here you can take away certain columns that maybe I don't want to see HSA bid because I don't do that. You can add columns in. You can go right down to any amount of columns you want. And then of course you can extract. I'll show you that. So then as you can see, it's given me 2,342 keywords that are a direct or indirect match to exercise ball. Okay, now you're going to notice that there's going to be some indirect matches, and what I love about this tool compared to Keyword.io is you'll notice Keyword.io, excuse this pop up here, but it uses all the same words in every keyword. Okay, so it doesn't steer left or right or come up with synonyms, homonyms, whatever, words that are alike, but maybe of a slightly different branch. Here it stays with the same keyword the whole exact time. What I love about this is it steers left to right, goes into yoga ball, medicine ball, and those are all related to exercise, which is an important thing to know because a lot of times when you run ads, you want to run ads not just in your niche specifically, but in niches that people would buy your product with. That's an important thing to remember. So this is a great tool to use day in and day out, every day, to get accustomed to understanding what your product that you're launching is related to. What other categories do people buy in that also buy your product? Stability, ball chair. Of course, a lot of people work in an office and have an exercise ball, may want a ball chair so they can sit on it and actually sit on their stability ball. So it's kind of a two-in-one. If you're searching for a chair, you might be searching for the vault ball, or if you're selling the chair, you might be wanting to advertise in the exercise ball category as well. So there are 2,000 listings here. I'm going to show you page 1. But as you can see, the variety of keywords are here. Then you can actually see, well, let's see the exact match volume. So for, we'll use this one, balance ball. There's 8,582 searches for balance ball on Amazon on a day-to-day basis. Okay, that's the exact match. For a broad match, you get 24,000 results, or excuse me, 24,000 searches for a broad match. Again, recommended giveaways here. You got your exact PPC bid, you got your broad PPC bid. Okay, then you got your how easy is it to rank? They rated it about a 60. And then your relevancy score. How relevant is this keyword to the keyword that you actually typed in? They scored it at a 30. So you can also, what I love about this feature is you can also sort. So if you go, okay, I want all the words that are easy for me to rank on page 1 for, so I can dominate. If I get, how many people, you always got to ask yourself this question: how many people are searching for products on Amazon a day? Then you got to ask yourself, how many people would be searching for this product on Amazon per day? Well, in this case, 8,000 people a month are searching. Divide that by 30 will give you your answer on a per day basis. So how many of those are going to be searching for obscure kind of words because they don't know exactly what it's called? There's going to be a lot of people that are doing that. So what you can do is you can click on ease to rank, and you can go with all the ones that are easy to rank at the 100% level, or maybe 75% and upwards, and you can run PPC advertising for all of those. Let me just click this again, and here you go. So as you can see, it's going to say here, well, exercise ball is 100 for ease to rank. And these are all like what these are, as you can see. Why you're thinking, how is exercise ball easy to rank? Well, actually, this is a misspelling. 𝙤𝙃𝙊𝙼𝙕. So they forgot the S. Okay, so misspellings, again, people do it all the time. You can use those as a way to show up on page 1 for misspelling. So here's a lot of misspellings for this particular word. And as you can see, they're all ranked at 100. And they all have costs because people do know about misspellings and use them all the time when they're running pay-per-click advertising. Again, it'll get you that extra single sale, 2 sales, or 3 sales a day that you would never have got any other way. So it's just an intelligent way to run your PPC advertising. It's also usually a little less expensive than going with the main keywords, is to shoot for some of these high-ranking page 1 options. So as you can see, there are hundreds of them. Okay, then you can do it the other way. You can obviously look at the hardest to rank for, and then you can check maybe things like, okay, well, what's hard to rank, but then what costs low? So this particular word, try-deer, I don't even know what that is really hard to rank for, but it only costs 75 cents to run a PPC ad for that particular keyword. Now, maybe that's a brand of exercise ball. I'm not too sure. Okay, stability is a word. So all these words are hard to rank for. And then it shoots up to about 50% right here, fitball. And then, so what I like about these is you can get a lot of keywords from them. Now, how everyone knows how to run their PPC ad. You need your list. It's hard to type a lot of keywords in there. Here you can use this particular tool, export. Okay, pull that up. It's just going to go like this. There it is right there. And ta-da. So now you have all the words. You can print this out if you want to print this document out, or you can run it. There you go. So these are all the words that came up. And easy, you can just shift, you can copy them all, Command C, I can copy whatever ones I want. Then I can paste it directly into my PPC campaign, and it'll just paste the entire list. You'll add them in, and then it'll show you which ones you can match your advertising recommended price with and go from there. So just a quick video on a tool that I think is a great tool that Jungle Scout has to offer. Again, guys, if you're not signed up with Jungle Scout, I put a link in the description below. Click that link. Certainly is an affiliate link. If you like the video and the information that you see here in this video, I have a ton of well, I don't have a ton, but there's at least 20 or 30 videos I've done on Jungle Scout. Just check my channel. It'll teach you all you need to know. But this tool is an amazing tool. I've reviewed Niche Hunter. I've always done a lot of product research on my channel as well. So definitely click the link in the description below. Go check out Jungle Scout. You're going to want it for the keyword scout tool, if not anything else. Obviously, everybody uses it for product research, but that keyword scout tool has done nothing but increase my sales by 25% right away. Okay, so when I was selling 20 per day of my #1 selling item, at a 25% increase, that's an additional 5 units a day. That's an additional $50 a day in profit from that one SKU. It does nothing but pay for this program, what it costs on a per month basis in one day. So that's a huge advantage. Again, guys, you should have this. If you don't have this, you have to legitimize your business. And in order to legitimize your business, you need the tools. So definitely sign up for Jungle Scout and use the keyword scout tool to optimize not one of your listings, but every listing that you have going on your sales page. Even if it's some of your retail arbitrage stuff, you may want to optimize the back end and the keywords in the back end by using the keywords that you have in here. Simply, you get 1,000 characters, take your top volume keywords from here, copy them, run them in a word count, get 1,000 characters worth, and paste them into your back-end search term area of your Amazon Seller Central account to optimize for every listing that you're running. So just a smart thing to do, just a great way to enhance your sales and to be relevant for products that you're selling on Amazon, even if it is random toys. If you have the time, take a couple minutes to do it for all of your toys by brand, and you'll see huge results from that one little tip. All right, guys, Coach Respect, the Wise Guy on Instagram. Make sure you follow me there. Hit the subscribe button if you thought this video was useful, and we will talk to you in a bit. Peace. I'm just joking.